What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload high quality photo on your Instagram. So let's get started. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram. After doing so, what you have to do, you have to open up your profile. Then you have to click on this plus bar icon to post a photo. Okay, so to post a photo you have to select the photo that you want to post on Instagram. I'm going to pick this option, this photo. So after selecting the photo you have to click on next. So now you have to write your caption and tag people, add location, all the stuff here you have to fill up. Then what you need to do, you have to click on more option. Then you have to scroll a little bit down here. Then you have to make sure this option is turned on. This is the important thing guys. You have to make sure the upload at highest quality option is turned on. If this option is turned off, your photo will not be highest quality uploaded. You have to make sure this option is turned on and your photo will be uploaded at highest quality on Instagram. So this is how you upload a photo in the highest quality on Instagram app. I hope you guys find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.